Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Supporting wildcards in user-defined search strings in Python. Introduction. Wildcards are powerful tools in search functionality, allowing users to search for patterns or partial matches within a dataset. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to implement wildcard support in user-defined search strings in Python. We'll use regular expressions and the re module to accomplish this task. Prerequisites. Let's get started. We'll begin by importing the re module, which provides support for regular expressions. Now, we'll create a function that allows users to perform wildcard searches. This function will take two arguments, the search string and the dataset to search within. Let's test our wildcard_search function with a sample dataset. You have learned how to support wildcards in user-defined search strings in Python using regular expressions. This allows users to perform flexible and powerful searches within datasets by using wildcards to match patterns and partial text. ChatGPT.